Hi my friends, how many times do you search the internet per day? If you're anything like me, how to change a tire, to how long you'd have to shuffle a deck of cards before you get an exact repeat. We search the web for everything, so you might as well get paid to search the web and get money while browsing internet sites. How much money can you make searching the web? It may seem underwhelming that websites pay as little as $0.001 per search, however, it soon adds up. How many searches do you do per day, without even trying? Most of us probably do upwards of 50 searches every single day. There is a lot of variation in how much you can get paid to search the web, with some websites paying up to 39 cents per search, which could make you around an extra $100 per month from only 10 searches per day. Tips to make money searching the web, along with what to avoid. There are some things you should do to maximize the amount of money you can make searching the web. Number 1. Microsoft Rewards. The most popular company that will pay you to search the web is Microsoft. Microsoft is the creator of Bing, one of the main competitors of Google. Bing has a way to go to become as popular as Google. It currently gets around 20% of all internet searches, whilst Google gets 60%, which is why the company will pay you $0.001 per search to use their search engine instead. Microsoft Rewards works in levels, and when you join the rewards program, you'll start at level 1, which allows you to earn 150 points per month. Once you progress to level 2, you'll be able to earn 600 points per month. You need 5,000 points for a $5 gift card. Number 2. AskWonder. AskWonder works a little differently. You are assigned a query to look up answers for and write a report for a client. You can earn anywhere between Similar to Swagbucks, there are many tasks you can do to earn points on Irazoo, and one of those is using Irazoo Search, a search engine similar to Google. You can choose whether you're paid in gift cards or a PayPal transfer, and you can request your first payment when you reach 3,000 points, which is worth $5. You can earn anywhere between 1 to 25 points per search, $0.0016 minus 4 cents. But the number of points you earn is awarded at random, so you can never be sure how much you will earn. Number 5. Mobile Expression. Mobile Expression won't pay you in cash, but you can earn gift cards by using its VPN, virtual private network, on your phone. There is nothing specific you need to do. Once you install the VPN, not even search the web, but with the VPN running in the background, it collects anonymous data about the way you use the internet. The website is UK-based, and it claims you can earn enough for a £10 Amazon gift card within 2 weeks. Making money online as a search engine evaluator. Although you can make side hustle money from these websites, none of them are going to replace your 9 to 5. If you're seriously interested in making a full-time income while searching the web, you might consider becoming a search engine evaluator. The only way big search engines stay popular is by providing relevant and useful search results, and you best believe there are people behind the scenes making sure it stays this way. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget subscribe to the channel.